My garden is full of clumsy birds, striving to master the air, strangely bigger than their parents, with feathers flounced like unkempt hair. Fluffy balls of puppy fat, freshly fledged and fain to fly. Tails too short to navigate even our little patch of the sky. Looking like they lost a fight, been dragged backwards through a hedge. Amateur dramatics and slapstick aerobatics leave their little lungs labouring on some perilous ledge, only to plunge once more to the undergrowth, first over there, now over here. Latent ability and little agility, charged with life, bereft of fear. And their voices, loud but not so sweet, they sing no song or tweet no tweet, but call to mothers who were never too far. A persistent, piercing, pleading for feeding. Music not yet part of their repertoire. Senseless adolescents, blundering about like all things young. So I made a pledge to the fledglings that I found myself among to write this song, to fill the time till theirs by them is sung. But my head is full of clumsy words, looking for the lift of a lilting air. 'Twould be the poetry of the absurd, were I to be compared with my garden, full of clumsy birds, striving to master the air.